Are you worried about kidney stone? In as much as there are food that causes kidney stone, the good news is there are some food that also help to prevent the stone. In my previous video, I talked about food that causes stone formation because of their content. In this video today, I am bringing to you food that help to protect your kidney and also prevent that stone from forming in the kidney. Water still remains the number one. When I talk about water, I mean plain water. This is the best defense for your kidney. So for this reason, one needs to be hydrated. You need to stay hydrated. Well hydrated, because being hydrated will help to dilute the minerals. The minerals I'm talking about, I've mentioned it in my previous video. I mean the calcium, the oxalate, and salt in the urine that forms that stone, that begins to form stone. Okay, let's just think of it this way. Just like flushing out a pipe before things have a chance of stocking in. When you get a pipe and you keep passing water, you are trying to flush the pipe so that nothing gets stuck in the pipe. That is what I mean by getting hydrated. When you are well hydrated, that means you flush out the system from the kidney through the ureter down to the bladder. You are flushing it out. So that minerals that form the stone will not be able to form because they are diluted. They can't come together, they can't build up because the water is dissolving them. They will not be passed out as urine. So aim for at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day, especially in the hot weather or after you might have sweat a lot that day. At least 2 to 3 liters of water is needed. But then, I know there are people that are not lovers of water. If you find it difficult to take water, you can add lemon. It will flavor the water. It will change the taste of the water. At least with that, you'll be able to take enough water that is required per day. I know you know citrus. When I mean citrus, I mean citrus fruit like lemon, lime, and oranges. They are so high in citrates. And these citrates I'm talking about, they are natural chemicals found in citrus that help to prevent kidney stone. And do you know how they do that? They do that by stopping crystal formation. They stop this crystal from sticking together, from building up together. In my previous video when I talked about animal protein, I told you those animal protein contain purine, and when you check the biochemistry of the breakdown of purine, it will end up in uric acid. So when the uric acid in the urine is high, citrate drops. So by taking citrus, it will help to increase the citrate in the body, and this citrate help to prevent the sticking together of those stone crystals. Is that crystal will form stone. When those crystals begin to build up, they build up and become stone. It's the crystals that become stone, not as if there's a stone especially entering your body. Those crystals from the food we eat, if allowed to build up, they now form stone, and it's painful in the body. So citrus is also very good. Add it to your meal. Make sure you take them. They help to break them down. They prevent them from binding. So drinking lemon water daily is one of the easiest way to boost the citrate level in the body. Also protect your kidney. And you know what? It's also refreshing. Try it. It's refreshing. You can take it, especially those that have risk of having kidney stone. You can take it. I know you might think calcium causes kidney stone. The truth is that daily calcium actually helps to prevent them. I will let you know how it works, so don't get confused. So when you take in calcium-rich food, the calcium in that food binds to the oxalate in your gut. And when they bind to the oxalate in your gut, they prevent that food from reaching the kidney and forming kidney stone. But be careful. Calcium supplements, I am talking about supplements, causes it. So that is why you have to stick to the natural form. Directly calcium you find in the food you eat. Do you understand?
Yes.
Supplement is a no-no. calcium supplement is a no-no. It is the only supplement that helps to bind with the oxalate in the gut for the food that prevents the food from getting to the kidney to cause the stone, but not the supplement. And you can find it in daily products like milk. In as much as there are some vegetables that are high in oxalates, like the spinach that was mentioned in my previous videos, that can cause kidney stone, there are also some vegetables that are low in oxalates, and that makes them kidney friendly. Do you know that the good choice of these low oxalate vegetables are the broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, cucumber, and the kale? This gives you fiber, vitamins, and support the kidney function without increasing the risk of stone. You know what? Whole grain and legumes are rich in fiber and plant-based protein, and both of these help to eliminate waste fast and efficiently from the body. So always try to add them. Since you are going to be limiting on animal protein, add the plant-based protein to your diet too. Everything though in moderation, nothing should be in excess. I know many of us don't know that magnesium plays a very key role in preventing kidney stone, and it does this by helping the body manage the calcium and oxalate level more efficiently. Do you know what? When the magnesium level in the body becomes low, it leads to increased crystal formation. And for this, be sure to add magnesium-rich food to your diet. Magnesium-rich food like banana, avocado, pumpkin seed, and leafy green to your diet is going to be very helpful because it will help to prevent kidney stone formation. To recap, you know kidney stone is very painful, right? But in many cases can be preventable. Here are a quick recap of the best foods to eat to keep the kidney clean and prevent stone. Comment in the comment section, make your contribution, drop things you should eat and things you should not so eat in the comment section, and always remember to come back for more of our video on health topics that can help you get more informed. And don't forget to do this.